This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull out the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage it with the underside of the bonnet. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Numerous systems fitted to the vehicle require battery power to be available at all times, either to ensure their continued operation or to maintain control unit memories which would be erased when the battery is disconnected. Although not essential, it is possible to preserve these settings by connecting an external power source, known as a memory saver, to the vehicle's diagnostic socket. Slacken the nut and using a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Remove the plastic cover over the positive terminal. Slacken the retaining nut, then pull the positive lead clamp upwards from the battery terminal. Position the clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Undo the nuts and remove the battery top clamp bar. Lift the battery from place. Take care as it's heavy. Remove any debris from the tray, then lower the battery into place with the negative terminal adjacent to the inner wing. Refit the top clamp bar and tighten the nuts securely. Press the positive lead clamp firmly down over the battery positive terminal and tighten the retaining nuts securely. Refit the plastic cover. Press the negative lead clamp firmly down over the battery terminal and tighten the nut. Smear a little petroleum jelly on the terminals to prevent corrosion. Disconnect the memory saver. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.